Ready to unlock the hidden potential of your website data and transform your marketing strategy? Let's dive into Google Tag Manager and learn how to add events, giving you laser-focused insights into user behavior beyond simple page views. First, head over to your Google Tag Manager account and select the container for the website you're working on. Navigate to the tag section. This is where we'll create a new tag for our event. Click the new button to start creating a new tag. Now, let's configure the tag. Click in the Tag Configuration section and choose Google Analytics GA4 Event as your tag type. If you use Universal Analytics, you can select Google Analytics Universal Analytics and choose Event Track Type. Next, select your GA4 Configuration Tag or set up your GA4 Configuration Tag if you have not set it up yet. This ensures your event data flows smoothly into Google Analytics 4. Now, for the crucial part, the event name. Enter a descriptive name for your event, like button_click or form_submission. This is how you'll identify it in Google Analytics. Under Event Parameters, add relevant information about the event like the button ID, label, or submission type. This adds detailed context to your event data. Now, let's set up a trigger to fire this tag. Click in the Triggering section to choose when this tag should activate. Select or create a trigger that corresponds to your event. For example, a Click All Elements trigger can be used to fire the tag when a user clicks a button. You can also specify that the tag only fire when an element matches certain characteristics, such as an ID or class. Give your tag a descriptive name that you will remember, such as GA4 Event Button Click, and save your tag. Before publishing, always test your tag. Click the preview button to enter debug mode and ensure your event is firing correctly on your website. Once you've confirmed everything is working, hit the submit button and publish your changes. Congratulations! You're now tracking custom events in Google Tag Manager, unlocking a world of insights for better data analysis and campaign optimization.